For the second day in a row, resident doctors continue their strike in Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and other parts of the country over NEET PG counselling. Doctors say that government has failed to take action despite making repeated assurances. Meanwhile, patients suffer as OPD services are being hit. Though doctors have boycotted emergency services also in Safdarjung Hospital, some doctors are still working there. The strike is underway amid the looming fear of a third wave as Omicron cases are on the rise. Remember, the doctors are essentially saying that they're understaffed and any delay in the NEET PG counselling process is going to increase their burden, especially with the pandemic. The fact that we're still amid the pandemic and there's, of course, an Omicron concern now. Let me go across to my colleague Ayushman for more on this. Ayushman, we can see that the resident doctors are still continuing with their strike. Any word in terms of a dialogue which they are, which the government is planning to have with them?
Well, the dialogue was there with the Minister of Health 7 days ago, precisely to be about 8 days ago. The FODA resident doctors met the health minister, in which the assurance was given to them that the center would be approaching the apex court and the matter of NEET PG counselling would be expedited. And on that basis, only the doctors gave the government about 7 days till 16th of December. They waited for government assurance to be fulfilled. That didn't happen, and that has perhaps prompted these doctors to boycott the emergency services right from day one, unlike previous time when they boycotted the emergency services did last time. This time the doctors are saying that the minister's assurance didn't work, which clearly seems to be saying in a message that somewhere the government is not at all concerned about the needs and the problems of those PG residents, doctors in the government hospitals, because they are overworked. They're working for about 36 hours on a stretch, and if the new entry of new doctors doesn't happen, then it is going to be a year wasted for all of those doctors who are working out there. In the coming time, it is going to be even difficult because there are 45,000 doctors who are actually waiting to work in the government hospitals, but they are not being given the opportunity from the government side. So this time the Doctors Association, which is FODA, it is Resident Doctors Association, they are saying that they will continue the emergency strike unless and until the matter is expedited and the NEET PG counselling begins. Only after that they will be taking back their strike.
Right. Ayushman will, of course, be tracking all the developments with you. Thank you so much for joining us with that.